If you're tired of sitting through long meetings and scrambling to take notes, AI meeting assistants can be a game changer. These tools can help you join calls, take notes, generate smart summaries, and stay organized. In this video, we've researched and compared the best AI meeting assistants to help you choose the right solution for your needs. And as always, timestamps below this video along with free trials and the latest discounts to all of these tools. So let's get started. First, MeetGeek. MeetGeek is an AI meeting assistant that helps you get the most out of your meetings without having to take notes or worry about missing details. Once you sign up, you can connect your calendar so MeetGeek knows what meetings are coming up. It'll automatically show your upcoming meetings and be ready to join them for you. If you'd rather not connect your calendar or you have a last-minute meeting, you can just paste in the meeting link and MeetGeek will still join and start recording. You're always in control. If you don't want MeetGeek to attend a specific meeting, just turn off the toggle. Want it back on? One click and it's re-enabled. You can even set preferences like your meeting language, who should receive the summary, and which meetings to join by default. If you want to customize a meeting even further, you can add templates, agendas, or change access settings before the meeting starts. It's also worth mentioning that MeetGeek automatically detects the language with the support of 50+ languages. But what happens after your meeting is where MeetGeek really starts to shine. A few minutes after you hang up, it will send you a full meeting summary. And we're not talking about a one-liner summary, it's a detailed breakdown of everything important that happened. The AI digs through the transcript and pulls out the key points for you. It's actually pretty cool. It will list things like what decisions were made, what tasks or next steps were identified, any concerns or questions that came up, and important facts or figures mentioned during the meeting. Essentially, MeetGeek creates a highlights reel of your meeting that you can read at a glance. If you've ever finished a long meeting and wished you had Cliff's Notes for it, that's exactly what MeetGeek provides. The summary isn't some generic blob of text. It's organized and structured, which makes it really easy to skim and understand. For example, the summary might say, Tasks. Alex will send the budget report by Friday. Next steps. Schedule a follow-up meeting next week. Decisions. Decided to extend the project timeline by 2 weeks, and so on. Another thing MeetGeek does is automatically highlight the crucial moments and insights from your calls. It uses AI to detect things like action items, topics, or questions that came up during the meeting. So if someone says, I'll send you the contract tomorrow, MeetGeek will flag that as an action item. If a client mentions a feature request or a pain point, it gets marked as an important highlight. There's also a powerful search function. All your past meeting transcripts and notes are stored in one place, so you can search across them to find specific discussions. Another unique aspect of MeetGeek is how it can adapt to different kinds of meetings. It offers meeting templates to tailor the AI's focus depending on the meeting type. If you have a brainstorming session versus a one-on-one versus a team stand-up, those meetings have different dynamics. MeetGeek allows you to use preset templates or even create your own template for, say, a project kickoff meeting or a weekly sales sync. These templates can influence how the notes are structured or what the AI pays attention to. For example, in a sales call template, it might specifically look out for objections, product feedback, or competitor mentions. In a project meeting template, it might emphasize deadlines or requirements discussed. The MeetGeek Chrome extension gives you quick access to your meetings right from your browser, so you don't need to log into the full platform every time. With just one click, you can check all your past meetings and see what's coming up on your calendar. If there's a meeting you don't want MeetGeek to join, you can simply toggle it off. You can also choose the language for the meeting and apply a specific template before the call starts, all directly from the extension. If you're jumping into an ad hoc meeting and haven't scheduled it in your calendar, just paste the meeting link into the extension and invite the note taker instantly, just like you would on the main platform. It gives you the same flexibility, but right in your browser. The extension also offers a compact version of the MeetGeek experience, so you can manage meetings more efficiently without switching tabs. Compared to other AI meeting assistants on this list, MeetGeek is more of a well-rounded generalist. It's aiming to be the go-to meeting companion for anyone from a solo freelancer to an enterprise team. It's worth noting that MeetGeek actually provides solutions for many roles and scenarios out of the box. On their site, they talk about use cases ranging from sales teams to HR interviews to education. This means the tool isn't pigeonholed into one domain. A sales rep can use it to automatically log CRM notes and get insights on customer sentiment. A recruiter can use it to record interviews and easily share key moments with hiring managers. A product manager can use it to document user research calls, and a teacher could even use it to record lectures for students. That flexibility is a big plus if you're thinking about deploying an AI assistant across a whole company. Different departments can all use the same tool, but in the way that benefits them most. Pricing is also quite reasonable for what you get, starting at $19 per month. If this sounds like the right solution for you, below this video is a link to the free plan with 5 hours of transcription per month, 3 months of transcript and audio storage. Second, Fellow. Fellow AI Meeting Assistant works with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, and it's designed to make meetings smoother from start to finish. It helps you run better team meetings by organizing agendas, automating pre-meeting prep, and making post-meeting follow-up easier. When you're managing recurring meetings, the Meeting Series feature lets you scroll through previous sessions, review notes, and pick up right where you left off. You can build your agenda using a wide selection of templates made for different teams, from engineering to leadership, or just search for something that fits your needs. Once your agenda is ready, you can use automated reminders to prompt your team to contribute before the meeting even starts. Inside each agenda, you can add custom sections and assign responsibilities. Fellow helps you send smart reminders to specific attendees, nudging them to add their talking points so everything is ready when the meeting begins. You can also use Fellow's AI Copilot to generate pre-meeting briefs based on past conversations, giving you helpful follow-up suggestions and keeping everyone aligned. These briefs are especially useful when you're meeting someone new or prepping for an external call, since they even include contextual insights and conversation starters. Fellow makes your agendas collaborative, so everyone can edit them in real time. You can attach documents, carry forward topics that weren't discussed last time, and create action items during the meeting that are automatically assigned to team members with due dates. After the meeting, you'll get a full recap with a summary, action items, decisions, and a transcript, all organized in one place. There's even a stats section that shows who spoke the most, helping you understand team dynamics and improve how your meetings run. You can also gather anonymous feedback after each session, asking your team how the meeting went and what could be improved. And if you missed part of a meeting or want a quick summary, you can ask Fellow's Copilot questions like what you missed in the first 10 minutes or what topics were covered over the last 2 meetings. Copilot pulls from transcripts and recaps to give you quick, accurate answers. Fellow integrates with tools like Slack, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Microsoft Outlook, ClickUp, and more. It can even suggest CRM updates based on your meetings, helping you keep everything in sync. In short, if you're looking for an AI meeting assistant that helps you prepare for meetings, takes accurate notes, summarizes key points, and keeps everything organized and secure, Fellow is a strong choice. It's especially useful for teams that value privacy and need a tool that integrates seamlessly into their workflow. Fellow offers our audience a free plan suitable for individuals, as well as 10% discount for all pricing plans. The plans start at $11 per month. Otter.ai is a handy tool that helps you capture and organize your meetings without the hassle of taking notes. It listens in on your conversations, whether you're on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, and turns them into written transcripts in real time. You can see who said what, follow along with live captions, and even get summaries of the key points discussed. One of the cool things about Otter is its ability to join meetings on your behalf. With its Otter Pilot feature, it can automatically hop into scheduled meetings, record the conversation, and provide you with a summary afterward. This means you can catch up on meetings you missed or review what was said without having to be there the whole time. Otter also offers a chat function that lets you ask questions about past meetings. Need to remember what was decided in last week's team call? Just ask Otter Chat, and it'll pull up the relevant information for you. This makes it easier to stay on top of tasks and decisions without digging through long transcripts. However, when it comes to the core functions of transcription and summarization, MeetGeek actually has an advantage. Tests and reviews have found that MeetGeek provides more accurate transcriptions than Otter. Otter's accuracy isn't bad by any means, but MeetGeek's speech-to-text seems to pick up nuances a bit better, resulting in fewer errors in the transcript. Furthermore, MeetGeek's summaries are more detailed and structured compared to Otter's summaries. Pricing-wise, Otter is known for having a decent free plan, which currently gives you 300 monthly transcription minutes, albeit with some limitations like only 30 minutes per meeting in the free plan. Its paid plans are also relatively affordable, starting at just around $8 per month. In short, if your budget is super tight or you love the idea of querying your meeting notes via an AI chat, Otter is a solid option. 4. Fireflies. Fireflies is another AI meeting assistant that joins your Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, or other calls and automatically records and transcribes everything. You can even feed it audio or video files and phone call recordings, and it will spit out a full transcript and summary afterwards. In practice, you just invite the Fireflies bot to your meeting via a calendar invite or use its handy Chrome extension, and it takes care of the rest. Fireflies will automatically detect your meetings and can even auto-join calls if you flip the switch, so you don't have to remember to hit record or scramble to take notes yourself. After the meeting, you get a searchable transcript and an AI-powered summary of the key points. The summary highlights action items, decisions, questions, and follow-ups, basically everything you'd hope to capture in your notes. It even pulls out to-do tasks, so if someone says, "We need to call the client tomorrow," Fireflies can spot that and, if you want, create a task in your project management tool for you. You can skim a 1-hour meeting in a few minutes by jumping between flagged highlights like action items or questions, or just search for any keyword across all your past meetings. Fireflies is loaded with features that make team collaboration smoother. During playback, you can add comments or reactions at specific timestamps, clip out important moments into shareable soundbites, or pin a quote from the meeting for others to see. You can instantly push the transcript or summary into Slack, Notion, Google Docs, or whichever tools your team loves. There's also a built-in conversation search. It remembers everything, so you can ask, "What did we decide about the budget last month?" or "Show me every time we mentioned the new product," and Fireflies will find it. Now, how does it stack up against other AI note-takers? MeetGeek, for instance, also records meetings and does AI summaries. Both have pretty good accuracy, but Fireflies covers more languages and apps. On the flip side, MeetGeek's free tier gives you more minutes than Firefly's free plan, and users say MeetGeek's summaries feel a bit tighter. Otter.ai is great for live, on-the-fly transcription and has nifty features like a chatbot, and it's a bit cheaper. If your team is looking for a reliable way to keep track of meetings, tasks, and key takeaways, Fireflies is definitely worth checking out. Even on the free plan, you get unlimited transcription with limited AI summaries and 800 minutes of storage per user, which is great if you're just getting started. For more advanced features like deeper AI analysis, full search and filtering, more storage, and integrations with tools like Slack or Airtable, you'll want to upgrade to one of their paid plans, which start at $10 per user per month. ZoomInfo Chorus. Chorus is a product by ZoomInfo that leverages proprietary machine learning technology to make every interaction count. Chorus conversation intelligence software is backed by 14 technology patents and is recognized as the fastest-growing product in its field. Chorus records and transcribes your sales calls, meetings, and even customer emails, then turns all that messy, unstructured data into clean, actionable insights. Instead of guessing what happened on a call or trying to interpret vague CRM notes, you get a clear view of what was said, how it was said, and how prospects responded. This makes it especially useful for onboarding and training new reps. Chorus helps you identify top performer behaviors, so you can quickly see what's working, whether it's a particular way of handling objections or how someone positions pricing. You can use real examples to coach the team, create playlists of top calls, and reinforce the sales methodology you want reps to follow. It cuts down the time it takes to get new hires up to speed and builds a culture of consistent, data-backed improvement. Chorus is also a powerful tool for deal intelligence. It automatically syncs contacts, meeting details, and email conversations into your CRM. No more manual data entry or missing touchpoints. You can track who on the buying committee has been engaged, what was discussed, and how the conversation is progressing. That kind of visibility helps you spot deal risks early, keep momentum going, and make smarter decisions on how to move things forward. It even helps flag signs of churn, so you can proactively step in before it's too late. Another major advantage is its ability to provide market and competitive intelligence. Chorus listens to what your customers and prospects are actually saying and aggregates that feedback across deals. You can start spotting patterns, why you're winning, why you're losing, which objections keep popping up, and what competitors are being mentioned most often. And then there's what ZoomInfo calls connected intelligence. This is where Chorus connects the dots across your entire engagement history. You can pull up a full conversation timeline for any contact or company, see who talked to them, what was discussed, and when. That context makes follow-ups feel more natural and informed, and it gives reps a huge advantage when trying to build stronger, more personalized relationships. If you're interested in trying it out, ZoomInfo is offering our audience a completely free trial. You can find the link below this video to get started. 6th, Laxis. Laxis is an AI-powered meeting assistant designed to help you capture, transcribe, and organize all your conversations, whether they happen online, in person, or through audio recordings. As soon as you log in, you'll land on a dashboard that lets you record with your mic, upload an audio file, or pull in a past Zoom session. If you want to test how it works, you can check out a sample conversation first. To keep everything in sync, you can connect your Google Calendar and have your meetings show up automatically. You can also build templates for your meetings and keep track of how many meetings you've used based on your plan. If you use Google Meet often, there's a handy Chrome extension you can install right from the settings page. Once it's installed, you'll see the Laxis toolbar appear in your Google Meet sessions, letting you highlight, tag, and mark action items on the fly. You can even download your transcript straight from the toolbar as a Word doc, PDF, or text file. If you're using Zoom or Microsoft Teams, you can invite the Laxis AI assistant by pasting the meeting link, and it will join for you, record everything, and take notes in real time. For in-person meetings, just hit the record button from your homepage, choose a template, and you're good to go. While recording, you can label sections by topic, and once you're done, the conversation will be saved automatically for easy access later. If you already have recordings saved locally, Laxis also lets you upload audio files like MP3 or M4A. Once uploaded, you can assign them to a template and start working with them like any other meeting. Editing transcripts is simple too. You just select a conversation, jump into the editor, clean up the text, update speaker names, or assign parts of the transcript to topics. One of the standout tools in Laxis is Laxis Chat. It brings generative AI into your transcripts, so you can ask it to summarize, find project updates, or pull key details instantly. On top of that, Laxis AI Writer turns your meeting content into blogs, newsletters, show notes, or even social media posts using built-in templates. It saves you time and helps you generate high-quality content effortlessly. For teams, there's Laxis Team Channel. It lets you create shared spaces for teammates to collaborate on transcripts. You can create a channel, invite others by email, and then share meetings directly into the channel. It makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page without back-and-forth emails. If you're using HubSpot, you can connect your CRM and automatically send meeting notes, action items, and summaries into the right contact record. You just pick the meeting, click send, and everything gets logged in HubSpot for you. You can also set up meeting templates to help Laxis analyze and organize your conversations better. Templates let you define key topics and keywords, which you can later track in the Insights section. You'll get a full breakdown of your meeting data, and you can download reports in different formats with options to include timestamps and other details. Laxis offers a free plan with 300 transcription minutes per month. The premium plan is priced at $15 per month and includes 2,000 transcription minutes. 7th, RingCentral. RingEx with RingSense AI redefines the role of the business phone system and business communications holistically, transforming it into a proactive, personal communication helper for employees. RingCentral's RingEx AI assistant is like having a personal helper built right into your business communication tools. It works across calls, video meetings, messages, and even SMS, so you don't have to juggle multiple apps or services. When you're on a call or in a meeting, it listens in and takes notes for you in real time. It captures key points, action items, and any open questions, then turns them into a neat summary you can refer back to later. If you're catching up on a team chat or missed a conversation, the AI assistant can give you a quick recap so you're always in the loop. It also helps you write and polish messages, whether you're sending a text, an email, or a team chat. Need to communicate in another language? It can translate messages into several languages, making it easier to connect with global teams. One of the standout features is its ability to create video highlight reels. After a meeting, it can generate a short video that captures the most important moments, so you don't have to watch the entire recording. This is great for sharing with team members who couldn't attend or for reviewing key discussions. Compared to other AI meeting assistants, RingEx AI Assistant is deeply integrated into the RingCentral platform. This means you get a seamless experience without needing to switch between different tools. It's designed to work smoothly with your existing workflows, making it a convenient choice for businesses already using RingCentral. If you're looking for a way to streamline your communications, stay organized, and save time on routine tasks, RingEx AI Assistant could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. Below this video is a link to RingCentral 14-day free trial. During the trial period, you can access all the features, including phone lines, outbound minutes, and the entire suite of RingCentral features. The trial also includes support and the option to use various devices such as desktop phones, soft phones, and mobile apps. So these are the best AI meeting assistants available in the market. We hope this list will help you choose the right software for your business. If you are undecided about which tool to choose, in the video description, you'll find free trials and the latest discounts to all of these platforms. So we highly recommend checking them out to see which platform suits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.